Hey everyone, happy Thursday. Now that kids are back in school, a lot of folks start hunting for homes so that they can get into their new home before the holidays. If this is you, please make sure you get your credit score as high as possible. Rates are on the way up, and now more than ever, it's important that you have as high of a credit score as possible. 3 ways that I have seen clients increase their credit scores in the past and some of the things we recommend. Number 1. Make sure everything is paid on time. Very, very important. Number 2, pay your credit card balances down below 30% of the available balance. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, make sure the balance is down below $300. And number 3, sign up for a credit review. Have someone look at credit and advise you of what's on there. Sometimes people are amazed at the number of things that are on your credit that no one has a clue about that's negatively impacting the score. Thanks a lot, and if I can be of assistance in any of these things, please give us a call. Have a great day.